बताइए।
So any automation tool है आपका इसमें एक्सेल में वगैरह?
ऑटोमेशन टूल मींस?
लाइक जो लाइक शॉर्टकट्स वगैरह रहते हैं ना, बिकॉज लाइक मैं देखा था
मैक्रोज?
लाइक मैक्रोज या
We are developing it. Once it is done, maybe another 2 weeks,
या
we will update.
ग्रेट हेल्प, थैंक यू.
Okay. Yeah. It's under development. Team is working on that. Yes. Satyanand ji, your screen is visible? Not yet. Yes, now it's visible.
Now visible. Yeah.
Yeah.
So actually, I'm having two sheets which is related to my present work.
Mm-hmm.
One is WT and other one is DT.
Okay.
Is my screen changed?
WT, DT, we can see. Two sheets are there, but we can see DT as of now.
Yeah. So there are different Excel sheets I have pulled up in one file.
Okay, that is not visible to us. Share your full
ट्रेनिंग चालू
window.
आहे.
Yeah, one second.
ते एक्सेल ची ट्रेनिंगचा क्लास लावला होता.
Now can you see?
Yes, I can see that.
So they are the different Excel sheets I had collected.
Okay.
So my simple task is that in one result sheet, result analysis is there. So how I should merge and take the VLOOKUP to find the averages for these candidates? Basically, they wrote 21 daily test, 5 weekly test. I have 18 candidates in my team. So I need to make a analysis of one sheet about the result.
The format is same in all the 21?
Yes, it is same format. 21 DTs and WTs 5 are there.
You are subscribed to Power Query or Power BI course? You have access to that?
No.
Okay.
So to use the VLOOKUP, how I can bring this into one file?
No. So VLOOKUP directly you cannot use. So you need to first consolidate all the 21 into one place.
Yeah.
Okay. To consolidate, you will need Power Query.
Power
you can
Query.
use Power Query in Excel or Power Query through Power BI. Both the places you can use.
Okay.
And then once it is consolidated, you can do VLOOKUP, whatever you want to do, because now it is in one place. So then it will be a simpler job.
Yeah, that's what my doubt. How I should convert into one file?
Yes. So I believe, I don't know when did you subscribe, but I believe you should have access to Excel, Power BI, Power Query kind of courses, and check section 2 of Power BI or check Power Query course. Okay. You will learn a lot on how to combine files from a folder.
Okay, fine. Then we can use the VLOOKUP formula. Am I correct?
Then it is a simple exercise after that.
Fine. And one more query regarding Sunday's class.
Yes.
Again, I'll share that second last doubt.
No problem. You can ask as many as you want, because I will see that people will not ask after some time.
Okay.
Okay. If it is taking time to fetch the sheet, we can come back. Hi, Sambhaji. How are you?
Is the screen visible, sir?
It is visible.
Yeah. So I'm not able to make sure about the bank account number. I checked in that formula.
So E027, go to the next sheet. How is the table looking there? Bank account is, so what formula have you applied till now?
Apply the same as designation and
Copy the formula of designation. Copy. Okay. Change that data source.
This one, no?
Yes, go to V2 data. Next sheet. Select JKL. JKL. You have to click J. Okay, column number 3.
Yeah.
No, you have selected inside right function. That is not correct. You should select it outside right function.
Which
Escape.
one?
Right, you are selecting the range in the right function.
Okay.
It is inside the right function, which is wrong, right? Escape. Press escape from there. Press escape. Escape.
Actually, escape is not working in this system. So I'm deleting.
Okay. No, don't delete. Copy paste again.
1 second.
Because we need to see V2. Yes.
Can you please
Okay.
help me to write the formula here freshly?
No, because it will be lengthier, so it will be much easier in the bottom formula. Go to row number 5, column D. Go there.
Okay. Okay.
Row number 5. So remove the star and keep the right only. Remove star. And also you can remove. So we need the last 3 characters, and then it should be presented in the form of a value, right? Because on the other side, it is just 1, 2, 3. It is not 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2 like that.
Okay.
So you put this into value function, type value.
After we look up, no?
After we look up, before write value. Value, open bracket, close it after the right bracket. Close it after 3. Close it after 3. Yeah. Close it here. No, you have to close the bracket here. Twice. 1 for right, 1 for value. Okay. And I think it is done. You just fix the range and the column number. Okay, everything is fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can put G to H, change it to J to L. Type it there itself. J and then up to L. And type column number 3. In place of 2, change it to 3. Press enter. Working?
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we have done, on one side, it was only purely numbers. On the other side, it was having E as well as 0 to 7. We don't want E, we don't want 0. So we first said, okay, take me the last 3 digits.
So we removed the wildcard, that star.
Yes, wildcard is not working because it was not there on the other side. Okay. So we took the last 3 digits and then we converted them into numbers by using value function. And then it was able to match.
Got it.
Okay. Now, anyone else? Any other question? Sagar, you take over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Sagar will be helping us to learn something about sorting and filtering. It is basic, but there are some things which we might be missing. So if you learn something new, it will be good.
My screen is visible.
Yes, I can see it at least.
Okay. So, guys, today we are going to see about sorting and filter, how we can sort our data and filter our data in Excel. So you all know about basic filtering and basic sorting. That is simple, like we go to data and we can sort the data according to alphabetical order or in reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so I'll show you how we can do that simple normal sorting. Okay, suppose I want to sort that region column. Okay, so what I can do, if I want to sort that column, then first I have to go into data, and in data we have the option of sort. Okay, so if you click that AZ button, So if you click on that, so it will show you some dialog box like that. So just make it expand the selection and click on sort. Okay, so your region column is sorted in alphabetical order. You can see Asia on top, then Europe, then USA. In alphabetical order, it is sorted. And suppose you want to sort it in a reverse alphabetical order. Like, what is reverse alphabetical order? Alphabetical order, we all understand, A on top and Z on bottom. And what is reverse alphabetical order? Z on top and A on bottom. So just click on that and make it expand the selection and click on sort.
Sagar, wait here. Sagar, just wait here there on that dialog box.
Okay.
So if you, what you need to understand, what is the meaning of this dialog box. So you started with one column selection. Now Excel is asking you, do you want to only sort this particular column, or do you want to take the other nearby cells in the same row along with this sorting? So if you say, no, I want to focus only current column, then what will happen? The Asia, Europe, they will get sorted, but all the other rows, they will stay there in their original position. And then it will be misalignment, because something, maybe there was a country known as UK, it was part of Europe, but because you did not expand your selection, it may become part of Asia by mistake because of its position. So it is always important whenever you are sorting a tabular data, always expand your selection. Otherwise, you will create a very big mess. Okay.
Means
If it
along
is
with
just a single, if it is just a single column, independent column, nothing left and right, then it's okay. Otherwise, it is very, very important to see that expand the selection is selected. Yes, Satyanarayana.
means expand the selection means along with that selected column, the remaining data also will be swiped.
Yes,
Like,
nearby columns, they will also be sorted. They will also go
Oh.
up and down as per this column.
okay.
So all the Asia related rows, they will come at the top. All the Europe will come next, and like that. Okay.
Okay, so it is sorted in reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so now it is a very lengthy option. We have to go to data, then click on these sort buttons. So what if we learn some shortcuts along with these sorting and filtering tricks? Because shortcuts are always important in Excel. It will increase your productivity. Suppose I have to sort many rows, like I have 50,000 rows, 1 lakh rows, then I cannot go with manual thinking. I have to apply some shortcuts and other things as well. So what if suppose I have to sort the sales manager column? So what I can do, I am going to show some shortcuts to you. Okay, so how we can do sort our data according to shortcuts. So first we have to click on Alt. The way I click on Alt, all the shortcut keys of all the tabs populated over here. You can see for home it is H, for insert it is N, and for data it is E.
Those who don't know the, or don't remember the shortcuts, focus this method, this trick. This will help you. Okay, even if you don't remember, you will be able to understand where to go next.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we know we have sort option in data column. Okay, first we have to know what we are going to apply in our data and where we can find that option. So we know sort is in our data column, then we click on A, our data column is open, and suppose I want to sort it in alphabetical order, then I will click SA, then again dialog box show you and click on sort, it is sorted. And suppose you want to sort it in reverse alphabetical order, then again Alt A, and for reverse alphabetical order it is SD. The moment you click SD, it is sorted in reverse alphabetical order. So this is normal sorting, what we all did in our schooling or in our college days. Okay, so I want to show you some advanced sorting options. Okay, so I have to tell one thing, if someone is not going to find the sort option in data column, if they are using Excel, version of before 2011 version. So you can get sorting option in home tab under editing column. You will show editing option here. In editing, you will get sort option. Okay, so let's start with
It is
some
still
advanced.
there. It is still there. Like you can find it currently also. So
Yeah.
both options are available now.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with some advanced sorting. So how we can go to sort option? First, we have to click on A, Alt, then we click on A. Then we have to, if we want to apply some advanced sorting, like we want to apply sorting on different columns. Okay, so we have to open this dialog box. So how we can open is SS. So again, the dialog box is open. Okay, so here you can see multiple options: add level, delete level, copy level options. Okay, so you have to always click on this if your data has headers, and it is always important to have headers in your data. Okay, so click on this if your data has headers. Okay, then suppose I want to sort this country column, and I want to sort according to cell values, and I want to sort it in alphabetical order. Then again, add level. Now I want to sort quantity column, and in quantity you can see in quantity there are only numbers. So in numbers you cannot sort A to Z or Z to A. You can sort it in smallest to largest or largest to smallest. You can see the option here. Okay, so suppose I want to sort it into largest to smallest, then again add one more level, and now I want to sort my product categories also in reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so let's understand what this sorting will do. This is called multi-level sorting. Okay, what multi-level sorting is, if you click on OK, what this will do, it will do first, it will sort this country column in alphabetical order, then it will sort quantity in largest to smallest, then it will show product category. So what we are doing, we are applying multi-level sorting to sort our different columns just with a single click, so that we don't need to we don't need to sort every column one by one. We can apply
Yeah,
multi.
Sagar, just wait here. Can you move it on the right side, on the blank side, blank space, so that we can see the data also simultaneously? Just move the window on the right side.
Okay.
Click on the header and then you will be able to move. Yeah, right side, right side. Yeah.
This one?
There's a
Yeah.
lot of, yeah, that's it. Okay. So what we are trying to say that Asia on top is not enough for us. Okay, that's fine. But the Asia items, row number 2 to row number 14, they are representing Asia. Within that, we want quantities to be shown from top to bottom, okay, largest to smallest. So in Asia, I want to see the first row as the highest quantity sold. Okay, and then after that, I am also saying that show me the product categories in Z to A order. I want reverse alphabetical order as the third level of sorting. So what it will do, it will first do the sorting based on A to Z, Asia, Europe, and like that. Within Asia, it will go to the next level and then look for the highest quantities. Within highest quantity, let's say 61 is coming for 5, 6. How do I represent 5 lines of 61 of Asia? Then it will go into that product category name. And then it will pick up anything which is starting from Z as the first one. Otherwise, next to that. Okay. So that is the meaning of multi-level. First do one thing and then in that category, rearrange the data again. Then next level, rearrange the data again. Okay. Yes, Sagar, continue please.
The moment I click on OK, all the columns are sorted according to our given conditions. Okay, so you see the power of multi-level sorting. Okay, now we did sorting on column basis. Okay, if we want to do sorting on row level, so what we can do? So suppose our data in this format, our headers are in this particular column, and in other column we have some other data. So we want to apply sorting on row level, not column level. So what we can do, again we click on Alt, then A, then for sort dialog box we click double S, and dialog box is open. So now we want to sort our rows. So go to options and click here sort left to right, because we are going to sort according to row level. So sort left to right and click on OK. Again we can do the same thing if we want to if like sort our any column like region. So click on row 2, because our region is in row 2. Then according to cell values A to Z, A to Z or Z to A, you can select anything. Then again add one more level. Now we want to sort our price. So price is a 6 column. Cell values, you see smallest to largest or largest to smallest, because our price is in number format, not in text format. Okay, so click on smallest to largest, add one more level on say sales manager, row 3, cell values and A to Z. The format is same what sir explained in the previous in column level, but the data will be sorted according to rows here. Okay, click OK and it is sorted. Why it is coming here? Because we selected this also, that's why it is coming here. It is the data is sorted according to uh, our text and numbers. Okay, so this is our row level. This is just for information, that will not happen in future. If you get the data this type, then you can sort it according to row level. But every time you get your headers in columns in 99.9% of cases. But just for information, if you get data in this format, then you have to apply row level formatting, not column level formatting. Okay, so this
Okay.
is all about sorting. If you have any questions, then you can ask.
Anyone, any questions? This column sorting left to right, I was like, even I was not aware of. I've never tried it. And one reason for that is that your data is generally stored vertically. So you
Yes.
always focus on the vertical sort. But sometimes, because of creativity of some of your team members or maybe your creativity, you might put data like that. And then you will struggle to sort it. So this method can be used to rearrange the columns also.
One more thing
Okay.
left here
Yeah.
in organization, what we can do if we are working in a very big organization and if our data is very big. So if there are multiple regions, like here we have only 3 to 4 regions, but in if we have big data, in that big data we have many regions. Okay, so what they can do, they can highlight every region with different colors. Okay, suppose I colored, sorry, no. I colored it with orange. Then Asia, I colored it with some other color, let's say blue. And again we have Europe, and I colored it with some other color like green. And then USA, I colored it with gray color. Okay, so our data is in different color according to every region. Now they stored color code or of every region in different subsheet, okay, of workbook. Now they want to sort data according to color. Suppose I selected USA as a gray color. Now I want to see the data of USA according to my color code. So how we can do that? Again, click on sort, Alt A, and then SS. Okay, so dialog box is open, delete your levels and again add one more level. And now I want to see USA. Okay, on the top. So how we can do that? We can do it according to region or sales manager. Any column we can select, because all our columns are highlighted with the same color. So we can select region here, and now we have to select cell color. Okay, and USA is highlighted with this gray color. You can see all color codes here for Asia, for Europe and for USA and other regions as well. Click on this gray color, and I want it on top. If you want it in bottom, then you can click on bottom, then click OK. So your USA is on top. So you can do sorting according to colors also. And here you can get different options, like you see here, sort on cell color, font color. You can apply conditional formatting icons also. If in your data there is conditional formatting available, you have applied some conditional formatting your data, and now you want to sort your data according to that conditional formatting, so you can do that also. So this is called some advanced level sorting. You can do it on your own. So you explore this, you can get different options in that also, and after that you will become superstar in Excel if you learn these shortcuts, advanced level sorting and shortcuts of that, because it is in high demand when we are going into any organization. So in that organization you have to do work very fast, so you have to apply shortcuts, you have to apply a lot of sortings. Here I apply sorting on only 3 level, but in organization there are 24-25 columns, so we can apply sorting together on 12 to 13 columns. So that's how organization will work. Any question?
Great.
Yeah, I have one question.
Yeah.
As you said that conditional formatting, so sometimes we define conditional formatting at the time of entering data. Like if I'm entering a region Europe, then I have made it condition formatting that whenever I enter region Europe, the
Yeah.
entire row should be orange one. Similarly for Asia.
Yes.
But if I do this way and some other things require some formula and all, and due to that, I prefer to have my data in tabular table format. So
Yes.
in table format, it will also work, this formatting, because
Yes.
table format generally they take color there, like there is generally
Yeah.
when we make the table, it gets
Mhm.
altered light color, dark color shades. So that then also it will work.
Yeah, it will work
No,
there
yeah,
also.
so it will work there, but Neelam, that is the base color of the table. Any conditional formatting or anything extra which you are applying, that will still work. Okay.
So that will overrule the colors of table, the
Yes,
basic table.
correct. Conditional formatting always overrules the base color of the cell.
Okay.
Okay. And second thing, table doesn't mean that you need to stick to your default formatting. Sagar, can you apply Control T here? Now, this is the original formatting which comes by default, but on the right side, you can see table design is there in the top menu. And in the styles menu, on the right side, in the styles menu, go to the drop down. And here you can go for any blank formatting also. The first one is without any colors, right? The first one. So you can go with this one. If that is creating a confusion because of the default colors, you can always remove them in the
Okay, but
different
the
styles.
benefit we get for table, like choose like the automatically we don't need to drag the formulas, that will still remain.
Everything will still remain. We have just taken the, I don't want alternate rows to be highlighted in different color. That only we have changed. Everything will still remain same.
Okay.
Any
Okay.
more question on sorting?
Sagar, I have to add one more thing in that
Yeah.
data sorting.
Yes, you're here. Okay. So
I
Ram Gopal,
joined.
you
I joined.
okay.
I
Okay,
came.
great.
I joined.
Are you ready to
Sa-
present your screen?
yes. Sagar, one more thing. I have added this data sorting. So
Okay.
anyone in that account in our group in that present meeting, anyone accountant is there in that
I
group?
don't know.
So if anyone doing that reconciliation for GST, that is every month people they are doing for the reconciliation. If you go for the data sorting thoroughly, your work will we can do it within seconds. We can do for it.
Yes, he is right.
Okay.
Sir, what about custom sorting? You didn't tell, correct?
Yeah,
He,
custom sorting is
he
something.
added.
It is a
Custom
very
sorting
big.
is multi-level sorting. He
Yes.
added already.
Okay, fine.
And there are, you can explore different options in custom sortings, but custom sorting is a very big topic. There are different options available in custom sorting. So you can do it on your own, because I'll show you some advanced sorting. So you can do it very easily. You will understand all the things, because the basic things we need to understand, then we can do advanced things as well.
My
Okay.
topic is filter. We are doing filter. This is advanced filter. That's all, sir.
Yeah, we are going to discuss about filters also. Yeah. Okay.
Can I share my screen? Akhilesh sir, can I share my screen?
Hello.
Boss, you can close your screen. I can open my.
Yeah, after I explained all the things, then after that you
Okay,
can
fine,
share
fine,
also.
fine, fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we discussed about sorting. Now we are going to discuss what are filters and how we can apply filters in our data. Okay, so anyone can tell me how we can apply filters? Anyone has any idea about filters? Basic idea? How we can apply basic filters in our data?
Yes, I know, sir. Little bit I know.
Yeah,
Yes.
how we can do that?
Make tabular form and apply filter on whichever column you want.
No, you can do like that also. Suppose now I don't want to convert my data into table. I just want
Oh,
to
Sir,
apply dash.
control shift L.
Yeah,
It will convert to filter.
yeah. So it is a direct shortcut of Control Shift L. The moment I clicked on that, filters are available on your on all your columns. You can apply filters according to your requirements. Suppose I want only September data, then I click on that and okay. So I'll get the data only for September. Okay. Now, if anyone don't know about shortcuts, so how if we want to apply filter on data and we don't know shortcut, okay, so how we can do that? Go to data, and then here you can apply filter. You click here, the moment you take your mouse cursor
Over.
here, you will get the shortcut for that. Control Shift L. Okay, so every time apply it using shortcuts, it will increase your productivity. So Control Shift L, and again shortcuts, filter us back. Okay, now you want to apply filter on your region. I want only Asia. Click on OK. You will get Asia data only. So this is a filter. This is normal filter. We all worked on that filter. Okay. Suppose I want to apply some advanced filter. Here you can see the option of advanced. Okay. So what advanced filter will do? Suppose we have sales manager and country here. Okay, this is our sales manager column and this is our country column. I want all data where the sales manager is Chris and country is France. You can do it by using this filter. Suppose here I can select Chris. Okay, here I can select Chris and here I can select friends. Okay, so you can do it by this way also. But if you have very big data, so you have to do it on using advanced filter. Okay, so how we can do that? Just we go to
Sagar,
advanced.
Sagar,
Yes.
can you use sales manager and the product category combination, because that will create uniqueness.
Okay.
Otherwise, Chris and Franz are always related, so it
Yes.
will not have variety.
Okay, so I will take this.
Yeah.
Sagar, you can remove filters also. In that advanced filters is not required.
Yeah, it's not required. You can remove it also, and if you don't want to remove it, you can keep it as it is. There is no problem. Okay, so we have sales manager, in which we have Chris. In product category we have meat and poultry. Suppose I want data where our sales manager is Chris and product category is meat and poultry. So how we can do that? We can use advanced filter using our shortcuts. Okay, so click on Alt, then in data we get filter, in filter we get advanced filter, and click on A for data. And for advanced filter, what we'll use Q. So moment I click on Q, this pop-up will presented on your screen. Okay, so this is the advanced filter pop-up. So what are the meanings of all these things available here? I'll explain. First is action. Filter the list in place. Suppose I want to filter overall data in this particular sheet itself. So this option is for this. And if I want to copy our data, I want the data basis on our category in some other location. So I can give that location by clicking on that option for copy on another location. Okay, I'll remove all this. Okay, all the things are removed. What is first location? First is a list range. What is a list range? This is a list range, our overall data. So we can select that. Then criteria range. What is our criteria? This is our criteria. We can select this. Then copy to where I want to copy this. I have to give the location of that. So suppose I want data here. So select that location as your copy to location. Now, if you want only unique records, so you can click on that. And if you want all the records, so you don't want to check this that box. Okay. Now click OK. You will get data where the sales manager is Chris and product category is meat and poultry. Unfortunately, we have only one data where the product category is meat and poultry and sales manager is Chris. Suppose now I want to change that. I don't want Chris. Now here I want Bob. So I have to apply a filter again. Okay. So how we can do that? Alt A, then Q. Okay. This is a list range, and in criteria, we have to give this criteria. Okay, and in copy to location we want to give this location, then click on OK. So we don't have any data where the Bob is present and the product category is meat and poultry. Okay, so this is an advanced filter. You can filter like a lot of things using advanced filtering. Suppose now I want to make it dynamic, so you can make it dynamic also. How you can make it dynamic? You can add drop down here. If you add drop down here, you can change the drop down value. Your data will be changed according to your drop down values. So you can do that also. You can go to you all know how to add drop down. You can go to your conditional formatting option, and sorry, not conditional formatting, in like in data column you can get the option of drop down in data validation. So you can do that also.
But will it change live?
Yeah, it will change.
Can you show us if possible?
Okay.
Let's say we create a salesman data validation list.
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
One thing, I just want to understand that you have given one criteria, but if suppose there are two criteria.
Yeah, you can do that. If there are many criteria, you can also
So
do that.
he was using actually two, Neelam. One was sales manager, other was product category. So he was using a combination of criteria.
No,
You can have
okay.
multiple.
I'll select one more. I'll take one more. Okay. I'll take country as well. Okay. And in sales manager, we can select some other name. Okay. We'll create drop down. Okay. Let's see. It will change or not. Source. In source, we can select our sales manager name. Okay. So by that way, we can get all the, okay. Click on OK.
But it will create duplicates, right?
Yeah. Duplicate names we have.
Okay.
Okay. In for product category, we can again create one more drop down. Go to list and then select all the product categories. Click on OK. Let's create drop down for country as well. All day. You see how fast I am doing. It is just because of shortcuts. What we are going to take country here. Okay, so here we have, okay, and now we'll apply advanced filter, Alt A Q.
Nothing will come. Combination is too complex.
Yeah, we have to do this. Copy to the location. So here we'll get data of Chris, where the product category is milk and dairy and country is France. Suppose I change this. So it is not changing. We have to give it again. We have to give that category again, because how advanced filter is working. Advanced filter is working on the basis of the criteria you have given. So the moment we give the criteria to it, here we have name is Chris, category milk and dairy, and country is France. Suppose it is not changing according to our drop down.
Yes. So in that case, they introduced, like the Office 365 at least, they introduced the function filter, which will do the similar thing, but then it will be dynamic. Okay, filter function role is similar.
There are several things in Office 365 version. I am also not using this, but my colleague, I saw one of my colleague doing this. That he changes that value, the advanced filter values are all also changing according to
Okay,
their.
so Sagar, can you copy the headers K to Q and K to Q, not the bottom portion.
This one.
And let us try to write, let us try to write the filter function here. So if you go down in one of the blank cell, let's leave it, delete the data, delete the current data in this, other than the headers, delete the second two rows, 16 November, and delete it. Good. And here write equal filter.
Filter function will work.
Array is nothing but your whole data set. Okay, so starting from second line to until the last line. Okay, that is also fine. Headers is also fine, because headers match nahi karenge, so it will be okay.
Yes.
Comma. Now include what? Okay, let's do one by one. Okay, sales manager. So select the column sales manager. Select the columns, not here, the column C. Select the column sales manager. Equal. And type K3, or to select K3, Smith.
Okay.
And press enter. No, press enter here. So you can see it has pulled the data of Smith. Now, if we change it from Smith, because Smith is a drop down, right? So if we change it from Smith to Bob or Ahmed, okay, type any one name, Ahmed. So it has pulled the data from Ahmed now. So that is the difference between the filter and the advanced filter. Advanced filter is a good functionality, but it is static. You have to repeat it as soon as your data changes.
Yes.
But filter, it will automatically keep changing the numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ram Gopal, would you like to share your screen? Sagar, anything pending on your side?
Sure. Yeah, we can, I want to add one more thing in that.
Okay.
So here we apply the filter only on sales manager. So we can apply filter on different categories as well. Product category, country, if we want to change it according to drop down. So we can do that also.
Yes. So ultimately, how the filter function works, or how any logical function work. If you click on the formula which we wrote. So here it is saying filter this array. Array is nothing but your range. Filter this range when include means what? That when this particular thing, any particular column is equal to a particular value. So when we are saying column C is equal to column is equal to K3, that means wherever it shows true. Because if I look at the first line, Chris, it is not equal to Ahmed. Okay, false. Bob, it is not equal to Ahmed. False. But for fifth and sixth line, Chris, and here also it's Ahmed. False. Eighth line, Ahmed is equal to Ahmed. So then it will keep that line. So it is keeping based on the series of true and false which are generated because of this equation. Column C is equal to K3. Now, those who have gone through logical functions, there were AND functions, OR functions. Okay. So you can create this true and false, which is currently coming from one criteria. You can create it based on multiple criteria also. You can write complex thing. Okay. So you can use your all the capabilities of AND function or function to make it more complex, to incorporate other conditions. So start with the single criteria and then slowly and slowly you will feel the need and you will learn. But first learn the single criteria if you are having Office 365. Okay. Yes, Sagar, continue please.
Yeah. So it is end from my end. If anyone have any question, then they can ask.
In that advanced filter,
Ram?
I can add few more things. That's all, sir.
Yes.
In my screen.
Ram Gopal, you can share. You
Yes,
can share
I
your
can.
screen.
1 second. I'm stopping my share.
Okay.
Sir, you can visible my screen?
Yes.
Yes, it's visible.
Sir, this is a dummy data. Hello?
Okay. Yes, you address it to the audience. No need to say sir and all. Okay. Directly
Hi, friends.
speak.
Hi, friends.
Yes.
It is audible.
Yes, it is audible. Ram Gopal, it's audible.
Okay,
Continue.
okay, fine, sir, fine. Hello?
Yes, you are audible, Ram Gopal. Go ahead.
Yes, I'm doing it, sir.
Yeah.
In that advanced filter, first, actually, Mr. Sagris already explained what is filter and advanced filter. So in that, we will do some few more examples: text filter, number filter, date, wildcard, custom, unique list. First, in the text filter, we can see this is employee ID, name, department, designation, score, and this is also completion date. So in that, we have to find out two. One is filter date for given names. Another is exact date from that separate sheet. Hello?
Yes.
Sir,
Continue. We are listening to you.
I feel some disturbance.
Who is disturbing? Please mute yourself. So there's Akhilesh. Let's mute Akhilesh.
No. So in that, suppose in the regular filtering, suppose we have to find out these names. It is very difficult. We have to select control shift L. We have to if it is a few names, we can select. In this Akhilesh and Asif, we can select. If it is a number of data is more, we can use filter, advanced filter. So we go for data, advanced filter, select everything, and criteria range is you have to select the name. So it will select what we selected name, it will come. If it is okay, sir?
Yeah, okay.
So anything error, you can rectify it.
Yeah, it is. It is already like I explained, and you have also explained correct.
And
The
this is another is number filter.
okay.
So in that, my question is, filter the data where the score is between 60 to 80.
Okay, so you want to ask how to filter our data where the score is between 60 to 80, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so I think we can use filter function here, Akhilesh sir. Filter
So
formula.
actually, not filter formula. We can use that logical functions and
Yeah,
and or.
we can use if also here, if function.
But actually, I'm using and.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to use AND because
Yes,
you
sir.
just need result as true and false.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it will select 60 to 80. What are the score is, it will come.
Yes. On the numbers you can apply like that. How
Yes, sir.
roundabout
Yes, yes, yes.
It's you explained very well.
And second is date. Filter whether completion between 1st April 20 to 30th September. This is a date-wise sorting, sir. Hello.
Yes. Yeah.
Another is wildcard. Anybody heard about wildcard?
Sunday, guys, if you
Yeah.
say no, you will not be
Yeah.
allowed next session.
Yes, yes, we listened. It is to ignore some
What is
part,
that? What is that?
to ignore some part and consider only partial part of the question.
So asterisk stand for?
Wildcard.
Well,
No, asterisk stands for?
Sorry.
That is in the wildcard, asterisk and question mark will come. This is just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Star, he's asking about star.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.
We did it on Sunday. Everyone, many people are there.
This is a star means for multiple character. Question mark stands for single character. This is aware for you, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to find out, filter the name contains Singh Sharma Gupta. In this name, lot of names is there. Singh, I mean Jagdish Singh, Rajesh Singh. So we have to find Singh Sharma Gupta. So
Correct.
what we have to use? In the wild card, which one we have to? Sir, you are answering, sir.
Because I am also confused. I can be a student sometime, right?
Yes, sir.
I think star.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Right or wrong? Anupam star or question mark? Mute. You are on mute.
Anupam, you are on mute.
Star. I think star.
Okay. So what is the meaning of 2 stars? Now let me ask the question. What is the
ignore
meaning of
whatever
2 stars? Yeah.
Actually, we are
No, let others answer. Let's see.
I think 2 stars means exact string should be exactly equal to Sarma or Gupta. Exactly.
No. Anyone else? Sajid?
Any character on the left or right of Singh will be picked up. Doesn't matter what it
Yes,
is.
it can have anything
Yes,
before
anything.
and after the
After.
Sharma or after that particular text. If you remember, on the Sunday class, we used 1 star only before.
sir, this
So the
Sunday,
right 3 digits.
excuse me, this Sunday I didn't get link.
So it is not for everyone. It is for a dedicated batch. We committed them something special.
Okay.
They paid something special also.
Okay, no
so it
problem.
is so it is a like temporary batch, not a regular one.
So this is a wild card.
Mm-hmm.
Advanced filters, select entire range. This is name. So whatever Singh Sharma Gupta. So all it will come.
Okay. So we will select the full range.
Yes, sir.
And list range.
I'm working my office work also, sir. So that's a little bit.
Okay.
It will come all Singh Sharma Gupta.
Yes.
Sharma Gupta.
Singh Sharma
Okay.
Gupta.
So have you noticed the pattern, people? What he was doing, rather than going one by one in the filter menu and then selecting multiple items, okay, when it is 1 or 2, go with that. That's easier. But when there are, let's say, 10 criteria, 7 criteria, then going there and one by one selecting, scrolling down, it becomes difficult. So what he's suggesting, that select the full range, and then the criteria is also listed somewhere. Select that criteria and your range will be filtered only for that criteria, be it 10 criteria, 15 criteria, or any. And same thing applies for whether it is dates, whether it is text, whether it is numbers. You can apply it in all the scenarios. That's what Ram Gopal was suggesting us.
Can I go next slide, sir?
Sure.
Custom. In that,
Yes.
I have that 3 questions, 4 questions. First question, filter where the department in finance designation is senior manager.
Mm-hmm.
Second question is the department is finance, designation is senior manager. The second one is we have to use wildcard. Third question, department is finance and the designation senior manager or senior executive.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth question, score between 60 to 80. Name start with A and name contain with Sharma. So one by one we can do it, sir.
So first, let's do.
First, department.
Minimize your formula bar so that we can see your data more.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. And I have one more request also after the session. Please share, if you can, please share this sheet to the group so that people can practice.
I will share it, sir.
And here you have seen different options like text, number. Already Ram Gopal explained that. So
yes,
try to practice it because it will going to be very fruitful for you. in coming future, because if you will going to work in any organization in future, so you'll know all the things before, so that will be good.
In the first one, it is clearly mentioned we need finance people and designation should be senior. So here he has picked up those values. So I think this one initially Sagar covered. It will be similar to that, right?
Okay. I will go next one. Next question.
Yes, next question.
Just a minute.
Try with question number 3 and 4. It is a really interesting questions.
No, second is also fine because that is having a wild
Yes,
criteria.
right.
Second one is fine. Question number 2, Ram Gopal, please.
Yes, sir. In the department finance, designation is any manager.
So what
So
should we
what I
type
have to do,
in
sir?
I2? Yeah,
So-
you suggest.
What I have to do, sir? This is a department. Okay. So department, I can put finance. Sir. So in the
Correct.
designation, what I have to do?
Star.
Star manager. Manager.
Star manager.
So it will be star manager, star, or only one star?
So he is saying that the manager can come anywhere. Before a particular word, after a word. So he is putting both the things. Wherever manager is there, I want all the people. It depends how your data is structured. If you keep manager out only after senior manager, finance manager, sales manager, so then you can put star and manager. That will also work. But if people are not following any structure, then star manager star will be better.
Hi team, how to clear that filter?
How to clear the filter? This is the shortcut which I was asking Sagar. What is the shortcut to clear the filter without removing the filters?
Without removing.
Anyone?
If we go for
Okay.
data, in its clear is there.
Shortcut?
No, it's filter. It is for disable the filter, not remove the particular filter from particular column or row, particular
Which
cell.
one?
The Ram Gopal show.
No, that is for clearing. Filter will enable or disable, but clear will clear the filter. What is the shortcut for clearing the filter? Anyone?
Same Control Shift L.
No, but that is removing the filter. Like removing means this filter ability itself is gone. Right, Ram Gopal, can you put Control Shift L in column A, B, C, D, E, F? Control Shift L. Okay. Now select, let's say, business development manager. Select that in the filter. Column C, business development manager.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No, you can go to the drop down itself. Column C drop down.
Yes, sir.
And select, business development. Select the business development. So my data is filtered currently for business development. Now, most of the people, including me, what I do, Control Shift L, that removes the capability of the filtering and shows you the full data set. But that is not I am looking for. I want to apply another filter. That's why I wanted to clear the initial filter. So what should I do?
It is
Alt AC.
Alt AC. Yeah.
So press Alt AC. Don't go inside. Press Alt AC.
Yes, sir.
You see, filters are not gone, but they are cleared. The data is fully visible to us without disabling the filters. I don't use it a lot. I also commit the same mistake. Control Shift L. Again, it removes everything. Then I apply Control Shift L one more time because I need to apply another filter. And then I select something else. Okay.
Sir, my
Yes,
question, that question, department is finance, designation senior manager or senior executive.
Very good.
So in that, what I have to do?
Guys, tell us. You can keep 2 rows Is it okay?
Yes, it is okay, sir.
Can okay. I just thought of it. Today I am really learning from you guys. So thanks for
I am
that.
also learning. Ram Gopal is explaining the wonderful
More
things.
advanced options.
Yeah, this is very advanced version of filter.
So this
Sir,
Alt DFS also works, no? Alt DFF for
For
filtering.
what?
Filtering. Alt DFF.
Maybe
DFA.
there are some.
Yes,
D,
working.
F and F.
Yeah, so it may work. I don't remember all of them. It may work.
Because we
Right.
are also using RDFF.
Okay.
So it is doing a finance, senior manager, and senior executives.
Okay.
My fourth question is, filter where score between 60 to 80. Name starts with A. Name contains Sharma.
Oh, I am the chief operating officer here. Wow.
Yes, sir.
To give promotion for this criteria.
Good. I was not aware. I was mainly a partner or investor in most of the companies. I was not aware that I am an employee also somewhere. Good. Yes, sir.
There are a lot of things to learn in Excel. Seriously.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is score between 60 to 80.
Correct.
So you can add three criteria here.
Yes,
One
exactly.
is
Exactly. What you said is correct.
Name is in name we can give wildcard before A, and we can also give we also give Sharma here.
Wildcard after A. Wildcard after A starts with A.
Yes. Starts with A. Show me the question again.
It starts with A.
Name starts with A.
Starts with A and name contains Sharma. So for one we have to give Sharma.
No, it is one single is enough.
No, sir.
Sharma
Yes, this is enough. Yeah.
No, Sharma is a lot of people says there.
Yeah, so I am saying this is enough. Oh.
Okay.
He was suggesting one more column or one more line, so that is not required.
What happened?
No one? Is this no one? Less than 60 and greater than the signs are opposite. Less than 60 and greater than 80 cannot be any person, right?
Yes. Sorry. I have done it.
It's greater
This
than
is
60
greater than.
and less than 80.
Yes.
Yeah.
And less than 80. Good.
दोनों का promotion मिला सर.
Amit Sharma, Ashutosh Sharma, they are 74, 73. Okay, good.
And sir, in that calculations also is that I don't know.
Okay, even I don't know. We don't need to know each and everything in one session. Okay, we have so many sessions. We will learn and we will share it again. Okay.
Yes.
Very good, guys. Thank you, Sagar. Thank you, Ram Gopal.
I will share this file, sir.
Yes, please share the file.
Sir, and one more thing. In that question number 4 only, I have done it here. 1, 2, 3. Our team member they can do for it.
Yes, that's fine. They will practice. Okay. In fact, even if they repeat whatever you have shown, okay, that's fine. They will learn a lot.
This is a unique list. Already Sagar is explained.
Yes, he has explained. So, guys, videos on, and please share your feedback about Sagar and Ram Gopal. Everyone, videos on. अच्छा बुरा जो भी है पीछे बैकग्राउंड में, नो प्रॉब्लम, सबका सेम हाल है, राइट। मैं भी देखो सुबह से नहाया नहीं हूँ, मीटिंग अटेंड कर रहा हूँ। ओके, मेरा वीडियो खुद का ऑन नहीं है। ओके, सॉरी। ठीक है, नाउ इट मेक सेंस। महेश जी, आशीष,
Sir,
विकास।
I have one more question for our team members.
First video, people don't know you. You taught us a lot. Video.
Even I learned a lot of things today.
कुमार, तुलसीराम, अनुपम। अनुपम को तो दिख रहा था कहीं पे तो। D'Souza. Okay. So please look at your teacher, sir.
I'm Ram
Very
Gopal.
good. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question to my team members. In the data consolidation, you are using for it, correct? How to use VLOOKUP using VLOOKUP data consolidation? You will consolidate 3 or 4 words. 4 sheets you have to consolidate using VLOOKUP.
इतना तो मुझे भी नहीं पता भाई, आप बताओ।
Sir, you know, sir. I practice in your videos only, sir. So next session I will teach you, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, guys, how are your thoughts about these kind of sessions where some of the students or other team members are teaching you something new, something which is not there in the course, okay? Or maybe it is there in the course, but because it is an important session, we want to cover it again, okay? So please unmute yourself one by one and share your feedback. That motivates other people to learn more and then practice, and then it gives them courage and confidence to teach others, okay? So that's why please come forward and share your views and feedbacks.
Yeah, course will help even the starter like me example, but in the mid, like these are definitely will be exploring. And course is definitely basic that if a new person join also, they'll understand systematic. Like course is like learning the alphabets. This is framing words in your own sentence.
Exactly. Anyone else?
Actually, I really like the way Sagar was so confident about the shortcuts. Okay, it's a really target for me to do all such type of shortcuts use smoothly and fluently. That's really that is what I joined the class today. Rather than practice, I thought that joining this class I can know where I am actually. In the workplace, everybody uses shortcuts, but secretly, this is what makes difference with others. So, thank you, Sagar. I'll follow you personally. And Ram Gopal, what you have taught us, there are a lot to learn. Even the, simple things. These are really simple things everybody must know, but we have to practice. And this is not available anywhere in YouTube also. So only when we can join as a group, we can learn from each other and can develop. Well, thank you, Akhilesh sir, for giving us this platform. Really, if I miss this class, it was a great loss for me. Okay.
Thank you for such nice words. And regarding the shortcuts, I will mention one thing, Anupam, that if you can master and implement shortcuts for, let's say, 1 month, that's enough. Okay, it is not necessary to master each and every shortcut. Figure out the ones which you use regularly. Okay, if you look at the course, the last section is shortcuts. There are 6 videos which covers roughly 100 plus shortcuts, and different sections are there: navigation, filtering. Okay, so you go watch them. Something which you feel, okay, I use this regularly, maybe this shortcut can help. Note that down. Prepare a sheet in front of your desk so that it is always visible to you if you forget. Okay, and then like you will pick up more and more. I also know maybe 15 to 20 shortcuts which I use regularly. Out of them, maybe 5 to 10 I used very very frequently. Okay, उससे ज़्यादा जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. I have known them, but I don't remember them. Okay, so it is need based. And Sagar is using something which is very frequent to him. That's why he was able to demonstrate that in a very fast speed. Yes, next person, please.
I also want to thank Sagar and Ram Gopal sir, who taught us today very good things, and especially shortcuts and the filters Ram Gopal sir has showed us, and also by Sagar. So want to thank for that. And actually, I don't need this much detailing of. I don't use all these things in Excel because my profile is something different, where I just maintain data for my shipments done. I am a exports person, so I don't need this much practice or this much Excel work. But now I'm learning, so I'm finding it interesting, and I think the work I'm doing, it can be done in a better way, like the simple Excel we are running. So where I can apply these things, like certain things are difficult for me, like. In the last session, there are things which were difficult, but slowly and gradually when learning new things, it's really helping me. And one request, I have seen that whenever there is a class and all, so we get recording, but I don't get a file where all the links are there. So I just want to share my screen. If that's the same file, if you could please confirm.
Yes.
Okay. And
Akhilesh sir,
yeah.
Our team members can spend only 5 minutes to me. You can
Yes.
visible my you can visible my screen also, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In that, suppose I told VLOOKUP consolidate 2 or 3 sheets through using VLOOKUP, correct? So this is my employee ID names.
Okay.
So employees names in sheet number 2 and sheet number 3.
Okay. But you were about to show this next time, right?
Now only show it, sir, because only 2 minutes, sir.
ठीक है.
Now 2
Let's
minutes.
finish this.
Suppose in that sheets is 26 employee ID is there. The names, it comes sheet number 1 and sheet number 3. So regularly we can put that VLOOKUP. So we have to fetch second sheet also.
Yeah.
So in that what we have to do? Any idea, friends?
Range is not fixed.
The range is fixed, but it is incomplete.
Yeah.
So second sheet, what we have to do?
So you will filter it out. Wherever NA is available now, then you put the formula with the sheet 3, attaching sheet 3.
So what we have to do?
VLOOKUP. So first of all, you filter it out. Okay.
How to filter?
ID and name. This
don't do it. Just you can use if error.
Okay.
If error, then again you can put VLOOKUP.
Yes.
I can start from here. If error. It will update. So whenever your columns, I mean sheets, you can convert to table, you can update automatically. It will update in your sheet number 1.
Yeah.
So if it is we have 365, you can use B stack.
Yeah, that's also we can use. Okay, we will cover that next time. Komal, sorry, Neelam, you wanted to show something to us, right?
Yeah, I wanted to show, but I need 5 minutes. Meanwhile, if any other person can want to
Okay.
say anything.
Sir, I will
Anyone
share.
else?
Yeah.
Yes, Kumar. Video.
So can I? My screen is starting.
Yes.
So
Yeah. It is like you are
This is
showing
my
something or
data.
you are
This-
asking something.
no, sir. You are discussing about advanced filtering also. Because of that, I am showing this.
Okay. Okay.
This is my usual data. This data contains around 30 to 40 rows. My boss always need to what he wants means in this file status, he always want to see this approved and this in process case status only. And then every time what I will do means I will go and filter like this approved in process like that. Separately I will do filter and then I will show my data after. So that I wrote on formula like this.
Filter. Okay. Choose. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Then July data. What is July data?
July data is my data. This one. So this table name actually July data.
Okay,
This
table
table,
name
sir.
is July data.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I am fetching data from this table.
That's fine. It's okay. Like other people will not be able to understand it, but good filter function you are using in different creative ways. Any problem which you are facing other
No,
than
sir.
this?
I'm just sharing, sir. That's all.
Okay, good. And one more question, guys. Not question, a thought. Knowing advanced filter, advanced sorting is okay. Using them is also okay. But sometimes you don't always need to go to advanced things. If you use pivots, all these things which we have discussed today, slicers, filters, we are only looking for few columns, not all the columns. Most of the things can be done using pivots in a simpler manner also. Okay. So first assess, do you really need that complexity which you are feeling कि यार मेरे को नहीं आता. So whichever way you know, it is easier, effective. Pivots से try करो. There is a reason why I kept only pivot workshop as my first workshop. Because I became a star in my workplace because of pivot tables and the dashboards. And it's easy. सीखने में ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं लगता है, right? But I'm not saying that stop yourself at pivots. Keep learning other things. And उससे जितनी creativity लगानी है, apply करो. But low hanging fruits जो हैं पहले, plug them first. Master pivot tables, repeat them. Everyone who is here has gone through the pivots, right? You are coming from always one single workshop. So keep repeating the pivots again and again. They will help you to bring the creativity, that interactivity, which you can pass on to the user. Formulas and advanced things you should know. And but again, don't only stick to the complex things. It is good to know them and we might need them. But sometimes if you are not needing it to make it complex, keep things simple. That will always be preferable. Yes, Neelam, this is the right sheet which you are looking at.
Okay, but it has not recordings.
It has not recognized, so it is having all the recordings. So 18 and now 25th will be updated tomorrow. You are asking about Sunday's recordings?
No, Sunday recording also I got, but actually I made my own file, and every time when I receive the link, then I paste that link in my particular file, because sometimes I get confused and sometimes I don't get the practice file.
This is your file? No.
No,
This is from the
the
WhatsApp
just
group
link you
description,
have.
right?
Yeah, this is I
Correct.
have taken from WhatsApp, but here the dates are actually we had started 15 September. I had joined the first introduction class, and after that we started from 1st October, I think. First I missed that, and then after that 8th and 15th. So I can see that the dates are some like 5th, 11th, 18th. So I was bit confused that whether it has all the links or not. The dates were different.
No, mostly it will be having all of them. One or two by mistake might have been missed. Otherwise, it has everything. Okay, it has everything. If it is not related to everyone, we will not keep it in this list. Otherwise, doubt sessions are always listed here. And Mahesh has
doubt session and the
suggested
main
us.
class.
Yes.
Yeah, Akhilesh, that will be good actually.
Yes,
that,
we will do it. It's not an issue. Okay.
you include
Because
the session from the beginning, sir.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Any other questions before we close down today's session?
It was a good session. Thank you.
Thank you, Neelam. Thank you. Thank you guys
Hello,
for
sir.
attending it so late.
Hello.
Yes, Anupam.
Yeah, I just want to know that I made to start all your videos, right? Excel session 1, session 2, all the sessions. I only completed last Sunday session. Okay. I'm just asking that if I complete within 1 week all your course videos of Excel, so it will be everything will be covered in this, right? All these filter functions, choose functions, they're all covered in the video.
You can cover घास मत काटो बस ठीक है take your own time.
Yeah. No, are they all covered in the video?
Everything is covered. So
Filters,
whatever
you we see today, they are all included in the course. I'm just asking it, clarifying it.
Many things are included. Like in the discussion, we go here and there, right? So many things we discuss. So it may not be fully there, but so many concepts are there. Okay. The course is designed in such a way that it is having what you need to start with. Okay. Of course, Excel is huge, so there will be so many things which are missing. Okay. But we can't keep everything in one course. Okay. But whatever most important things are there, they are already there in the course.
So practice is required.
Yes.
Practice चाहिए. 50%
I have one question.
if you retain and you do 100% practice with 50% knowledge, it's enough.
Yeah.
Yes, Neelam.
Actually, as you asked that which is most comfortable, so pivot table was the most interesting thing, and most of the things like which I require, it covers my requirement. But sometimes I face difficulty when in the pivot table, the data selection we do, we have some columns which are cells are blank. So you told me, I remember once that if there is blank cell, then or you can find with the help of any formula that which all are blank lines, we can choose them so that we can fill them, and then the pivot can be used, because pivot doesn't work properly if there is like data is not entered in any cell. So that command, could you please again tell?
It is Control
Explain.
G. So
Okay.
if Control G is for activating the special menu, then you can go to special, and there is an option which will appear blank cells. So it will select the blank cells, then you can remove them, delete them, whatever you want to do, or type something else in that, and then that problem will be solved. So Control G is the shortcut, and then go to special. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ram Gopal.
I would like to tell something to Neelam ma'am. Neelam madam, Neelam ma'am. Now sir says the Control G. If you open the Control G, go to that is a special. Go to special. It will come contains formula. It is lot of column, lot of contents is there. Every each line item you have to practice. You
Yeah.
practice. You have to practice each content. Column difference.
Yes. It
Row
will not work
difference.
if there are partial cells which are empty. Okay.
So you have to try for each and everything. You will be in a expert. Whatever you are learning new things, that is your advance.
Neelam, I would suggest, okay, let's cover each and everything basics, okay? Complete each and everything and start using them in your day-to-day work.
Okay.
Because you will have some more awareness. Okay, I could have done this also, which I was doing manually, or maybe some more lengthier way. Okay. And when you get stuck, then ask those questions again and again. Share your screen and then ask those questions. So you will retain like a lot of new things in that manner.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So I think let's it's time to close the session. 1.5 घंटा हो गया है.
I will share another 5 minutes, sir. My workings.
Ram Gopal, next time.
No, no, I will share that. What previous workings I will share.
हाँ ठीक है. Yes, definitely. We would love that. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir. Fine. Good night.
Good night, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good night, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.